So hi guys, we are here in 48 Coffee. Nag-interview kami ng owner. Sige, 3, 2, 1.
Good afternoon, ma'am. When did you start your business?
Actually, nag-open kami last January 16 this year. So, mga pa naman siya ka-months ang business.
What was your mission at the start of your business?
Well, ang mission sa business ngayon is of course to gain big income. Siyempre, we are living sa society nga tanan tagas na ang mga bili. So, I can't deny the fact na ang mission ko sa shop is mamaya ako dapat income na ako, and of course, to give satisfaction sa mga customers.
How many employees does your shop have?
Well, sa nag-start ang coffee shop, I have 2 baristas. Isa pa male at isa ka female, but presently, ako na lang isa na manage sa business.
So, how do you advertise your business?
Well, we know na sa subong pa ng home, we have a lot of social media platforms. So, in-advertise ko siya ang shop and ang business through Facebook. Mayroon kami Facebook page, which ang ginahimo namon, we do taking pictures sa mga customers, especially sa mga students, and then pinapost siya naman kung mayroon kami iba ng mga like new products or new flavors, in-advertise siya naman through posting in Facebook.
What made you choose your shop location?
Well, actually, this is not the very first location na nag-come up in sa mind ko. But because, since nga there is a first district, mayroon na siya sa ibang mga town. So actually, dapat may awit ang location, but may nakauna na. So I consider sa namakil, especially nga knowing nga diri sa Banwa, there is no coffee shop such like this nga closed siya and air-conditioned. So that's why, diri ko decide nga mga tukod sa shop. And of course, in-check ko ng location para sa mga prospect customers ko, especially sa inyo, students, kahit sa sa dorm, kaya sa facility.
So what is the goal of your shop?
Well, my only goal sa shop is na mag-stay siya in the long run, mag-successful siya, and of course nga, it will not be only a coffee shop or a tea shop, but siguro soon, yung mga foods and others na pwede na kami ma-offer.
So, that's all on the
Thank you, Mom.